hasn't stopped raining in Vagator since the time we reached here yesterday. And although the pool looks so very inviting, we still haven't gone in. The garden surrounding this place looks so very fresh and elevated right now because of the constant downpour. And because of the weather, the cozy has gone up another level and we've been indoors since the time we came here. So I thought of starting the day like I normally do with fruits, and although I don't have the nuts and the seeds, just ordered a couple of stuff off from Instamart. And right after this, we'll be heading out. We have finally come out of our room, and although the rain hasn't stopped even a bit, we are still daring to go out to Sinquerim Fort. Our first meal of the day. What do most of us do with the last few hours of our trip in Goa? In our case, we just didn't want to return to our hotel rooms, and we entered a cozy looking boutique in Asagaon. The quiet, whimsy feel of the store felt like a soft landing spot while the rain was raging on outside. Heard a lot of good things about this place, Mustard, but does my expression not give away much? And who even eats a Kolkata kathi roll for lunch in an Asagaon cafe? I deserve all the jeering for that, but had it tasted good, I would have made it public and made a short form about where you can find the best Kolkata kathi roll in Goa. But what a thoroughly disappointing experience having lunch there was. But so what if lunch failed? Did I tell you we found a Pani Puri stall in Vagator, and we've turned up here almost every evening since we came to Vagator. So we have discovered Pani Puri in Vagator, and I couldn't have been happier. Pani Puri. With just a few hours left for our week-long trip in Goa to end, we step out for dinner. We've come to Anjana, and the place is called Pisco by the beach. And this place in Anjana, I don't want to comment much on the food, but had the most outlandish view. It played out like a story of the rain and the raging sea, lit up from the faint lights surrounding the area. Rain so heavy that you couldn't hear the music playing inside anymore, and I loved that.